My name is Alejandra Silva. I am 26 years old. And my free time I like to play sport. I live in Yopal in the neighborhood Villarrocío. Take vacations in April and treat with a husband to San Andres Island. I study industrial engineer. I live it, my husband, we don't have children at the moment. Continuing, will present my recipe. Banana cakes. Ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 3 eggs, a cup sugar, 1 cup oil, a half cup milk, 10 grams of baking powder, some vanilla essence, 5 bananas. Materials: a blender, a bowl, and oven. Preparation: First, first, first of all, we peel the bananas. Put them into the blender. Add 3 eggs, the sugar, oil, and the half cup of the milk. Blend it blend it slowly. And add the flour and some vanilla essence. Pouring into the bowl. Then putting in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. Our banana cakes is ready to share with the family.